Hey guys, I just had an awesome trading session with binary options and I got into the 5 figures. If you want to find out what indications and indicators and oscillators I use, what strategies and everything, etc., then watch this video till the end. Let's start straight away. My name is Oliver. Let's go. Hey guys, we're gonna start today with $92 I got on the balance, and I'm gonna start with the first option. Let's have a look. Okay, we're gonna go ahead with a put option here. We see a huge pin, like a pin from the red candle. So this is one of the indications that the price could be falling down, and CCI is showing that the price is falling, and then the Supertrend as well. Zigzag is not drawn yet, but I'm pretty sure it's going to draw through as a falling line. Okay, let's wait for the result of this 2-minute option and continue. Here it is. Here is the first profit from our first option. We're gonna put the entire balance towards our next option, which is 175. We're gonna use that on here. Let's see. Okay, so we broke down the super trend line, so that would be an indication for the short, and let's use that up. Zigzag is also not drawn yet, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna draw down. So let's wait for the result of this option. I'm sure it will be positive. Everything looks as if it's a correct decision, and we're gonna continue. Here's the profit, guys. 337. We have already quite a profit here, considering it's only a few minutes. So we're gonna keep pushing with using the entire balance towards the next option, which creates a compound percent. I'm sure you're all aware by now. I'm using this every time in my strategy. It just makes it a lot more quicker to get to your goals. And today our goal, hopefully I can get to 5 figures, and yeah, it just makes it quicker and more dynamic, a bit more risky. So yeah, let's continue. Let's go with this currency. Let's see. Okay, so we're on the big volumes here, and so the seller came. I think this could be a pullback, so maybe we could go with now we're gonna go with the short, because I think for 1 minute there's still time for the price to drop. CCI is looking down. The super trend, we've crossed the super trend, we're below its line now, so that's also a signal for short. But I think this could be will be a pullback, because I think the price will go back up after this. So yeah, let's wait for the result of this and continue. Here is the profit, 647, and we're gonna put that towards our next option, of course. Let's change the current. By the way, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. This helps a lot to the channel, of course, to grow and know that you're enjoying the videos, learning from them, and that we can continue making them for you. And don't forget about the description to this video, where I leave an invitation link to our Telegram group, where you guys can learn a lot of useful information from me and my team. Let's put the next amount, 647, and let's go and choose our next currency. Yeah, so this group has a lot of information about indications, strategies, oscillators. It has signals. Me and my team, we share our experience, so you guys can use it in your own experience. Okay, so let's make this put option here. I'm going to explain. So we have quite a low activity of the buyer here at the top, kind of at the maximum. So we're likely to have the pullback here. Well, pullback. I mean, we're likely to have the price dropping. Obviously not. We don't know for how long, but so I call it. That's why I call it a pullback. But it's not really. It's not a really correction. It's basically we're waiting for the price to start dropping. It started losing its power. So that's the idea behind that. And here we have the profit, guys, from this option, $1,235. We're gonna place that towards the next option. We're gonna place, let's see, we'll place the entirety of it. One, two, 5. Is that it? Okay, that will do. Let's go for the next option. Let's go. Let's see what's happening here. Right. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and place a put option here, because kind of the globally we have more bearish situation than bullish, and there was some intense and nice, actually quite nice intense of the bullish situation, but right now, again, we're below the Supertrend and the zigzag. Although it's going up, I think it's stopped now, so I think it's gonna draw down. Of course, CCI is different, but I have a feeling here from the look, from how it all looks, that the price is gonna drop, at least for the time being that we have there. So yeah, let's wait for the result of this and continue. Here we have $2,352 profit, which is an amazing profit considering we started with $100 already, and it's been around 10 plus minutes. So let's continue pushing a bit more, and we're gonna make a bit more profit, and hopefully I really want to get into the goal of today, which is 5 figures. Let's place 2.3 and continue. Let's see what's happening on this side of the screen. This currency. So these impulses, these bullish impulses, or kind of, you could say it's an absorption of the buyer. So this is a good sign, and therefore I went with it. I went with this impulses. 2-minute time is longer than 1 minute than usually we do, but hopefully we're correct here. So yeah, let's wait for the result of this and continue. Here's the profit, guys. As you can see, it's paying off using the compound percent, and already we have 4.400 on the balance, and we're gonna keep going. We're gonna continue with that. So let's see. Let's go ahead and maybe we're gonna go and use the next option on. Sometimes it looks good to continue on the same asset, but I'm not too sure about that. Not too sure I want to continue here. Let's have a think. What's going on here? Okay, let's put 3,000 here, and let's continue. Let's go ahead. Let's use. Okay, let's find out. What's happening here, for example. Okay, so here I see quite a volatile situation, although we see that CCI is way down, and generally we're below this super trend, so this put option is probably the best idea. So let's wait for the result of this option and continue. Here is the profit, guys. We have a nice profit from this option. It works like a charm. This let's see, this compound percent, and that's why the biggest players in the game using it, biggest investors using it in their long strategies as well, not just binary options, because all this knowledge is applicable to different trading strategies and ways, basically, depending on what you like. Even if you like long-term strategies, reinvesting what you have profited with, it works exactly the same. Of course, it will be different time frames, different. So you could have a strategy for the next year, and then during the year you reinvest what you've profited with, and that creates also, so by the end of the year, closer to the end of this year, of your strategy goal. So look at that, for example. That's a really nice situation here. We have clearly everything to go for a put to the short, so therefore put option for 6k. Let's wait for the result of this and continue. And as I was saying, the strategy that you have could be for the next year, and it will work nicely with a compound percent, because at the end of the year you'll start getting the real results. Let's wait for the result and continue. Here is the profit, guys. This is a really good one, because here we get to our goal, which is into 5 figures. We're gonna stop here. I hope you enjoyed this. See you all next time. Goodbye.